So this is question number 25 of GATE 2017 Metallurgical Engineering. The question is, dye penetrant testing is based on the principle of option A, polarized sound waves in liquid, option B, magnetic domain, option C, absorption of X-rays, option D, capillary action. So to know more about the dye penetrant testing, you can refer lecture number 2 from the course Theory and Practice of Non-Destructive Testing by Professor Ranjit Bori from IIT Madras. So before answering, let us first understand some basics about dye penetrant testing. So dye penetrant testing is basically surface NDT method. So it's a surface NDT, that is non-destructive testing method. So only defects which are open to the surface can be detected using this process. So there are few steps involved in this testing. So first of all, what we do is, if you talk about the steps involved in this process, so first of all what we do, we apply we clean the surface where we want to inspect the presence of defect or any anomaly. So first step is cleaning. So we thoroughly clean the surface to be examined using a cleaner, and after that what we do is we apply a dye. So let's say this is our surface which is having some defect present in it. So first of all we will be cleaning this upper part of the surface, and after that we will be applying some dye. So let's say this is the dye which we apply. So due to the capillary action, what will happen, this dye will be going inside the crack. So this crack will be filled with the dye. After that what will happen, next step will be, after dye application we will be again removing the excess dye, right? Removal of excess dye. So these are the excess dye we don't want to have. So basically we will remove the excess dye. So slowly, using the same cleaner, you can remove the excess dye present on your surface. So let's say you have cleaned it thoroughly. So after cleaning, only dye which went inside the crack will be remaining, and the excess dye, we also call it as a dye penetrant. So the excess penetrant got removed. Now the next step will be application of developer, right? Application of developer. So what we will be doing is, there will be a developer which we will be spraying on the surface, and what will happen, this developer will be reacting with the penetrant which we sprayed earlier, which is present inside the crack, and this reaction between the developer and penetrant will lead to the reverse capillary action. That is, now this dye penetrant which is there inside the crack will be coming out. So the dye which earlier went inside this crack will now be coming outside when they react with the developer, and it will be present on the surface due to reverse capillary action. So this will give you the indication, at this location some defect is there, that's why we can see the dye penetrant which we applied earlier, right? So this will give us the indication of defect. So final step will be again cleaning. Once you know the location of defect, again you have to clean everything what you have applied. earlier, right? So by this way you can locate the surface defect. So now we can answer this problem. Dye penetrant test is based on the principle of, so main principle involved here is the capillary action. So the due to capillary action, our dye is going inside the crack, and after application of developer, reverse capillary is actually happening, and that is leading to the indication of defect on our surface. The right answer is option D, capillary action. Thank you.